Shixing Tempered Glass Lid Factory was established 1999 in Chaozhou City of Guangdong Province, China, being one of the largest manufacturers in tempered glass lid. A professional sales team serves for global customers with satisfaction, make business more efficient. Shixing sells products to 4 continents, 28 countries with satisfactory quality and factory price, cooperating with many brands by producing 130,000 pieces per day and more than 4 million pieces per month. Known as the glass capital of China, in Hebei Province, the cooperated factory Nanhe, Xi'an, Jingyi product of glass manufacturing was set up in October 2010. Shixing and Jingyi factory cover areas of over 39,000 square meters, with 12 lines of advanced computer-operated tempering furnaces. The products can meet RoHS, LFGB, FDA test standard, factory ability to manufacture over 20 models, including C, G, T-type, high-fit rim, high dome, customer design, with more than 20 years rich experience. Nowadays, it is being a professional manufacturer integrating research, production, and sales of various tempered glass lids to meet customers' needs. In terms of quality control, Shixing has made a lot of efforts. R&D department, glass toughen department, quality inspection department, engineering department assist in the production and testing of products. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us. Please don't hesitate to contact us.